Yo, what's going on, guys? Rice Boy Danny here. Right now I'm gonna go getting water. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it back there. It's next to the boy. I found out the name. I didn't find out the name, but I named him, alright? His name is Steve. And then we got Steve Jr. in the back, the little sloth that hangs. But this is Steve right here. Say what's up, Steve.
Hello.
Alright. But right now I'm gonna go getting water. And then I gotta do the headliner, boys, because look how nasty this looks. Ew. And then I'm gonna try to do everything, like even the side pillars and all that stuff. But probably today I'm just gonna be taking apart everything. And then tomorrow I'm gonna be reupholstering it and then like painting these ones black and everything. Hopefully it comes out pretty good, but we'll see. But right now, let's go get some water.
Bitch, I'm turned off, I feel like I want a Grammy, yeah. Love no thought of these, I know she cannot understand me, yeah. Speaking Guapanese, I know he cannot understand me, yeah. I'm a real nigga, all you gotta do is hand me out. Please don't judge me if you do not know my past now. Man, in blast, and I wave it where they blast now. I don't gotta swim.
Got the water and everything. I gotta go do something real quick. But right when I'm done with that, the headliner is gonna start. So I'll see you guys when I start with the headliner. Back home, guys. Right now, I'm gonna start taking it all off. I've never done this before, so I've like most of the mods I'm gonna be doing in my car, I've never done it before on any car or anything, so we're learning as we go. Hopefully it ain't too hard, but it shouldn't be too hard. I'm about to take every single piece out. I'm not going full race car, guys. I'll do a video on like what I'm trying to build in the end, just so you guys get a rough idea of what I'm gonna be making, like what type of videos and all that. But right now, let's start taking everything off, and some of the things I'm like, I don't even know, but we'll see how it comes out. Look, I'm gonna try to be showing you guys, but don't take everything. But look, there's this one that's like right there behind this little wall. You gotta move that, and look, it pops out pretty simple. Get ready to give me the fattest neck you guys have ever seen. I'm over here trying to get these little bolts off, right? So I'm using the flathead. I'm like, oh shit, this is kind of annoying because I have to like put it in a right angle and then turn it. And then look how neck I am. Look, I forgot you could take this out, flip it, and put it back in, but the other way. Hold up, let me put it in. There we go. And then bow. Bruh. It's the right one, boys. Guys, actually comment down neck, because I deserve that neck. Actually, no lie. Oh shoot, don't lose the screw though. But right now I'm getting these off, and then I'm gonna start getting these off, and then I'll just show you little by little what I start taking off. And let me zoom out, I guess. And yeah, I'll show you guys right now. Dude, I can't wait till I change this, because it's going to change the whole look of the car. I moved to the back, and I'm pretty sure you guys can see both me and the thing I'm doing. But right here, you just pop this out. Be careful, though, not to break it, because if you break it, then, you know, that's a neck, like what I did. But look, oh, I didn't break it, but I'm talking about the other neck. But look, you just take that little twist. You just twist that over, and then you can take it out. You see, I'm keeping everything right here, though, just so I don't lose nothing. Don't worry, guys, I'm gonna be fixing that. The interior is starting to take off. I mean, I guess if it looks cool, I might run with it for a couple days. We'll see though. For sure, right now, let me just finish everything else, because look at this saggy. Look how saggy this is actually. I'm be getting rid of this. It's gonna be looking nice. Seat belts are next. I just popped this thing out with the little screwdriver. And if you guys are wondering the size, I'm using a 17. And it fits perfect. Okay, I think that's tiny.
Look at this dude.
Hold up, this is hard to do with one hand, actually. All right, there we go. This part is pretty annoying right here, because like, at first I was like, what am I even supposed to do with this? But if you come around here, you're supposed to let it out like that first, right? And then pull it out like that, and then pull out a little bit extra. So you get to this part and just connect the connector. Where's it at? Got it out finally after a little bit of trouble. But I'm keeping look, these are all the pieces I've taken out so far, guys. That's a pretty good amount, not gonna lie. All I need left are these lights right here, this thing, this little center thing, that other light, and that's it. And then I'm gonna be able to take off the freaking headliner and get to the freaking, because look how nasty this is. I can just rip it off. Oh, I don't have any glue remover, so I'm gonna have to go buy some glue remover too. Dang, I almost forgot about that. I had to go get some Gatorade. Good thing I had it to my home, and good thing it was cold. It's work out here. Good thing it's not hot though, because if it was hot, I'd be sweating and all that. So good thing the weather's good and I got a little bit of shade on me. It's all good. This part right here is tricking me out. That kind of made no sense, but I got the bulbs out. I still need to get this and this out. And once this comes out, I can remove all the side stuff, and then I'll be able to remove the headliner. But this is giving me trouble, but I'm gonna figure it out right now. It's low-key another neck for me, cause look, if you guys look through here, where's my finger? There's 2 screws right here. So, and I was looking at it like this, so I didn't even know, but I'm gonna take this off real quick, and we can finally get to taking off the headliner. I know I haven't been recording, but this is kind of tricky, bro. Like, a little by little, I'm getting to it. Let me show you guys what I've done real quick. And I don't know why I moved my hands so much. I'm gonna start painting those 2 maybe. But look the inside right now. I had a freaking, I don't know why I had a disc player, but I had to get rid of this so I can get the little bolts from there and there off. And that made it way easier. This I didn't have that, so I didn't have that problem. But look, everything is off. Everything is off. Little by little, I'm gonna be finishing, but today, honestly, I just wanna get rid of everything. And then tomorrow start painting and reupholstering some stuff. But today I just want to take everything out at least before it gets dark. I'm almost done. The boy Frank got here. He ain't really helping me with it though. But this is the last part I need to take off. It's kind of dark now, so I'm going to end it for today. But I'll be back tomorrow. This is everything I got right now. I'm going to be painting what I'm going to paint black right now, just so it can dry overnight and everything. Hopefully this comes out good, because if it doesn't, what was happening? What'd you say? What'd you say? Oh no, my thumbnail. I have a good idea for my thumbnail. Yeah, exactly. But I'm gonna be laying down more in it. Yeah, and then it's gonna be like showing everything, you know, like everything that I redid. So that's gonna be a banger. Oh, Misa, show some. Show some. Ooh, oh, you should have told me. Hey, do it again. I'll get some good angles. Go right here.
You get it from here, as soon as he jumps, you're like, oh,
yeah, I'm gonna follow him too. Where the hell is he? Oh, there he is. Oh! Bro, you almost hit the car. Don't even act like you weren't about to hit the car, dude.
not even close.
Risa, you were hella close to that.
Oh, shit.
Tell him you weren't close.
I was not even close, dude. Hey, the car was close to him.
Yeah. Oh,
they just put it in the way.
They put the car in the way. Okay. Here, get me real quick. It's already recording. Let me show them one. Let me show them a fucking 5 feet jump start.
Dude.
Alright. We'll move. You did it.
Really, nigga?
Damn, that shit got me gassed.
This is gonna be crazy. You better get this.
Did you see the video on the 60-year-old?
Yeah.
That shit was hella funny.
You can't tell me that shit wasn't clean.
Stupid.
That was clean.
That was a good one.
All of them are clean, bro. As you guys can see, me and Misa are pro BMX riders. So make sure to do all that. Frank too, but he's retired almost, right?
Yeah,
He's getting back. Are you getting back into it?
Yeah.
You guys are gonna see some montages from that too, for sure. Misa wants to one more, Misa, for the goodbye.
No, not here. I can't do it on flat.
Oh, he can't do it on flat, guys. But right now, I'm just gonna start painting it, and tomorrow we'll be putting everything back in. We should be done tomorrow, and if we're not, then we'll be done the day after that. What's up, guys? I know I might look cringe, but guys, because it smells so bad. But let me show you guys the process. Look, everything's pretty much off. The freaking headliner's about to come off. This is what I got painted. I did this all pretty much yesterday. It looks pretty good, actually. I just have this last one. This one already came off. Then the headliner's coming off. And then I'm taking off the glue and all that, you know, all the good stuff. But right now, I'm still painting some of them, and it smells so horrible, so I have to wear the mask. But this is where my paint station is. You guys can see it looking pretty good. But I pretty much will be done soon. I don't think it will take too much longer. If anything, tomorrow for sure I'll start putting everything back on. I'm almost done. Let me show you guys the process. I got the pieces drying up somewhere else. Headliner's out though. Look at the interior. gutted out except the side. I'm gonna do the sides probably either later or yeah, I'll probably be doing it later though, because I'm gonna be doing that because look how nasty that looks. And that side's nasty too. Even the passenger door and the driver door. And then I got all this hanging. But right now I'm gonna be taking off the freaking ugly ass headliner right there. You guys will see that. And we're gonna be putting them on right now, so everything should be good. And I'm done spraying for the most part. I might have to respray one thing or two things maybe, but for the most part I'm done. So hopefully by tomorrow I'm completely done putting everything back in, and if I'm not, then Monday, because right now it's Saturday. This is taking me like 3 days now, because then it gets dark and all that.
Gang, got flexing, saying it happen. Yeah. Bitch, I'm turned off. I feel like I wanna.
Bro, that was awkward. Someone came, but look, I got it off. Now I'm just gonna it all off.
Grammy, yeah. Love no thought of needs. I know she cannot understand me. I'm speaking Guapanese. I know he cannot understand me. I'm a real nigga. All you gotta do is hand me out. Please don't judge me if you do not know my past now. Man, in blast, sign that waiver where they blast now. I don't gotta swindle. I'ma let you.
Nigga.
What the fuck, Spider-Man?
Hey.
This shit does not want to shoot straight.
That looks like one nut.
Does that look hella sticky?
No.
Yeah. It looks like actual nuts.
Not this part right here doesn't even stick at all.
Now I'm gonna put hella, and then I'm gonna put some on that too. So it's gonna be double. Oh, I just gotta shake it more again. Yeah, it smells kind of funky. I gotta make sure to put it here though, because this is where the fucking other part was falling.
Oh yeah, huh?
We've been going at it for a while, guys. Honestly, it's looking bad. Check it out, check it out. I got a bunch of glue stains. I'm pretty sure it's because this material is like hella thin, so glue just bleeds through it right away. I'm gonna try and take it off, but honestly, for my first attempt, not too bad. I'm gonna just ride with it like this for a little bit, and then later on, you know, switch it to a different fabric over time. But for now, before this one, once this one starts sagging and looking nasty, I'm gonna for sure do that. But for now, that's all I have to say, guys. It didn't come out good, but you know what? For now, it's whatever. In the future, I'm gonna be redoing it. Let me show you guys how bad this is. Look at all the wrinkles. Oh my god. This is probably the worst ones you guys have ever seen on YouTube. All right, guys, I'm gonna use my tripod, so like it might be a weird angle or anything, but I finished. I'm pretty sure you guys can already see it. Let me show you guys how it came out though. You know, I got the sides all black, the roof, everything. The lights still work. Everything's chilling. Sunroof still works. But look how it looks, guys. Honestly, not too bad, to be honest. Look, the black. You see that? I couldn't do, but no one ever does this one. But one day I might do that one. But I mean, I messed up in some parts. You can tell. Look at that. But overall, it looks way better than it did before. Like, I actually really don't mind how bad it came out, because it kind of gives it character. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just playing. But it came out pretty bad in some parts, but I still like it, to be honest. It looks better than before, and it just makes the car like look darker in here and all that. But I don't know. It's just really nice. It actually really isn't that bad. That's pretty much it for this video though, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. This one took me like 3 days to, actually no, like 2 days. 2 days to finish, 3 days to finish the whole thing. Putting it back was a pain, but honestly it was worth it for sure. And I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Peace.